Hey everybody, welcome to Fullstory. This is Lane again, and today we're going to talk about API annotations. Wouldn't it be great if anytime you pushed new code to your site, if there were anomalies that occurred, they would clearly be annotated on all of your charts and all of your graphs in Fullstory that that new code deployed happened at that specific time. Well, here we're looking at an engineering dashboard, and if I scroll down, you're going to notice error clicks per hour. And you'll notice right down here at the bottom of the page, you're going to see, inventory update. Looks like there was something, it looks like there was a deploy pipeline pushed code on the same day that there was a spike in errors. If I scroll down and look at my console errors on that same day, you'll see, it looks like error, can't add to cart, car may not be available, and that also coincides with an inventory update pushed via the deploy pipeline. Well, Fullstory offers an API to push annotation so that you can tie this into your deploy pipeline and let everyone in your organization know whenever you're pushing code in case that corresponds with new errors that are introduced to your experience. And today, we have Michaela Bateman, our Solutions Engineering Specialist, to walk us through how to use the API annotations.
Hi, Michaela here. Today we're going to talk about how to create a full story annotation with our full story docs. So in order to create an annotation, it's a basic HTTP request to full story. You can see over here in my deploy.sh file, I have a few things going on. I have my app being built. I have my app being deployed to Google. And I have these variables start and end, which is just going to capture the date time of before I built my app and then after the app was built. So now that we have those things captured, those data points captured, we are going to need a curl request. Now in this curl request, I have taken the endpoint that Fullstory uses to create an annotation. Here on line 23, you can see that I'm using an fsprod annotation key. This is just a key that you can create in FSTA. Down here at the bottom, on line 25, we're going to name this text cargo code release. On line 26, that's going to be the start time. So we're going to reference our variable on line 4 with a $sign, and we're going to say start. It needs to be in all caps. Start. Over here, we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. I'm going to say end. And then on the source, I'm going to name, for my code release, I'm going to call this deploy pipeline because that's what this annotation is a part of. It's a part of my deploy pipeline. Now, when I create my deployment, after all of this is run, this will run as well. And I'm going to add a couple of fun things just to indicate what's happening. So echo, and this is just going to print in my terminal. Reading annotation. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. Echo annotation completed. And that's it for me. Thanks, guys.